Hi, I am Bhaishmi. Let us learn action words. I am running. Run, run. I am writing. Write, write. I am reading. Read, read. I am eating. Eat, eat. I am blinking my eyes. Blink. I am jumping. Jump, jump. I am drinking water. Drink, drink. I am playing with the toys. Play, play. I am swinging. Swing, swing. I am dancing. Dance, dance. In the next video, we will learn more action words.